In this video, I will explain the difference between two important command words in biology, Edexcel. What is the difference between describe questions and explain questions? When the question is describe, you have to say what you see. Say what you see. Let's think about this question. You have this sketch of temperature in Celsius and rate of enzyme activity. If the question is describe the graph, you have to say when the temperature increases, the rate of the enzyme activity increases up to a certain point, which is the optimum temperature. Then, if the temperature increases above the optimum temperature, the enzyme activity will decrease. You have to focus on these terms. Increases, decreases, the highest or maximum point, levels of. These are terms you have to use in a describe question. Now, let's move to explain question. In explain questions, you have to ask yourself about each description. Why? How? So. So, again, back to this graph. Explain the graph. You have to describe the graph, then explain, give a scientific explanation with scientific terms about each description. So, when the temperature increases, the rate of the enzyme activity increases. Why? Because molecules, enzyme and substrates are gaining more kinetic energy. So they will move faster, more collagens, more enzyme substrate complexes are formed up to a certain point, which is the optimum temperature. At this optimum temperature, enzymes will have the highest rate of reaction because all the active sites are occupied by substrate. Then, if the temperature increases more, enzymes will denature. Focus on this. Enzymes denature, which means active sites change shape. So the substrate will no longer fit into the active site. These are the differences between describe and explain.